In New York State, there is a calculator that will determine the amount of spousal support or maintenance, as it's called, that the moneyed spouse, the payor spouse, would pay to the non-moneyed spouse. That formula is based on the respective incomes of each of the parties. There is also a cap of up to $228,000 of the payor's income, which is pretty much guaranteed to be paid. And then any amount on top of that would be at the discretion of the court if you were, in fact, in court. So that would help you figure out the amount of spousal support to be paid. And then the law further gives a guideline duration of how long payments were made. So it is essentially baked into the statute that the longer you have been married, the longer you can expect to pay spousal support. And for the shorter term marriage, there may not even be a spousal support award at all, or if so, it would be for a shorter period of time. With respect to temporary maintenance or spousal support in New York State, there is a specific formula that would apply. You definitely should get the guidance of a skilled and experienced attorney to help you navigate that calculator. And it is possible, especially if you do one of the alternative methods of mediation or collaborative, to agree to something other than what the specific calculator may dictate to you. There is a calculator under New York State law that applies to post-divorce spousal support, or maintenance, as it may be called. This is a complicated calculation based on the respective incomes of the two parties, and the duration of that spousal support is also for a period of time dependent on the length of the marriage, and the law in New York State gives you a guideline duration. In order to modify spousal support after the divorce, the payor of the spousal support would have to be able to demonstrate an extreme hardship. Of course, it is possible to modify a divorce settlement or the specific terms of a divorce after the divorce if both parties are in agreement. It is a possibility in New York State to modify the terms of an agreement after your judgment of divorce has been ordered. It is definitely possible to do this through mediation or collaborative process where the parties voluntarily may enter into something else because their circumstances have changed since that agreement or order was first put into place. It is not uncommon in New York State for parties to enter into an agreement that says that spousal support may come to an end if the other spouse gets remarried or cohabitates with a romantic partner.